Good morning, my guys. I'm Falguni ma'am. I'm telling about Singapore. Singapore is the smallest city and country. It is surrounded by islands. In the north, it has Malaysia, and in south, it has Indonesia. Its population 54.3 lakhs. Singapore is famous for nocturnal zoo. Chewing gum is banned in Singapore. Singapore Botanic Garden, Singapore Flyers, Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands are famous attractive place for tourists. Singapore is famous for its port. It has many museums, zoo, islands. It has 67 islands. The people speak in Singlish language mostly, other than English, Malay, Tamil, etc. Thank you very much, my lovely guys. Bye.